Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes and welcome to Maths 1B. Okay now? So the topic is completed. Remaining examples are 3, 4 are there. Okay now? Now today we are discussing the example problems. Okay now? See the example problem. See this one. Find the equation of locus of a point P if the distance of P from A of 3, 0 is what is the distance of P from minus 3, 0? The distance of P from A is nothing but PA is twice means 2 times. 2 times the distance of P from B. P from B is nothing but PBM. So see here. So there is a point P is there. Here the point A. This is the point AM. This is the point B. The distance of P from A is nothing but distance of PA. The distance of P from A is PA is twice the distance of P from BM. Twice means 2 times. So PA is nothing but 2 into P of B. This is our given geometrical condition. The distance of P from A is PA is twice means 2 times the distance of P from B, PB. Okay now? See here. So see the solution. What is the common steps are? Let P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. Okay now? Here given points. What are the given points, sir? Here given points. A is equal to, what is the point A, sir? 3, 0. B is equal to minus 3, 0. A is equal to 3, 0. B is equal to minus 3, 0. Okay now? Here what is given, sir? Given geometrical condition is there. Yes or no? What is the given geometrical condition? PA is equal to 2 into PB. Okay now? So given condition or given geometrical condition both are same. Given condition. So PA is equal to 2 into PBM. So PB, PA is equal to 2 into PB. So then after we are doing squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay, now squaring on both sides. There is nothing but PA whole square. 2 square is nothing but 4 into PB whole square. PA square is equal to 4 into PB whole square. Okay now? So PA square is equal to 4 into PB whole square. Now we are substituting the values. PA square, there is already square is there. That's why we are writing under root of. So here P equal to x comma y, A equal to 3, 0. What is the formula? x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Otherwise x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then x A equal to 3, 0. x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. 4 into PBM. B is equal to minus 3, 0. X minus of minus 3. X plus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Okay now? So now we are simplifying this one. This is nothing but here x minus 3 whole square we are expanding. X square minus 6x plus 9. Y minus 0 whole square is nothing but y square is equal to 4 into x plus 3 whole square. X square plus 6x plus 9. 2 into 3, 6. 6x plus 9. Y minus 0 whole square is nothing but y square. Okay now? Y minus 0 whole square is nothing but y square. See here x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square is equal to 4 into x square. 4x square. 4 into 6, 24x. Plus 4 into 9, 36 plus 4 into y square, 4y square. Okay now? So now we are simplifying. So this total value we are taking right side. Okay, now here already 4x square is there. Here 4x square. There is plus x square we are taking right side. Minus x square. Next to there is already 4y square is there. 4y square. This y square we are taking right side. What is the value? Minus y square. Okay, now minus y square. There is already 24x is there. Here 24x. Yes, minus 6x we are taking right side. Plus 6x. Plus 6x. Here next one, there is 36 is there. Here plus 36. This one plus then we are taking right side. What is the value? Minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay now? So observe this one. 4x square minus x square is equal to what is the value? 3x square. Here what is the value? 3x square. 4y square minus y square equal to 3y square. 24x plus 6x 30x. Okay now? 36 minus 9 27. Okay now? 27 plus 27 is equal to 0. This all the terms we can take common. What is the common value? 3. 3 we can take the common. So 3 we are taking common. Remaining value x square plus y square plus 3 into 10x. 30x is there. 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0 is the required locus. Okay, now is the required locus. All of you read them clearly. See the next question. Find the locus of third vertex of a right angle triangle. The ends of whose hypotenuse are 4, 0 and 0, 4. Hypotenuse means the opposite side of the right angle triangle. Hypotenuse is given, that's why alternately we are taking which one, sir? Right angle triangle. Understand? No need of given. So that's why what is the condition? Hypotenuse, when which type of triangles are hypotenuse exists, sir? Right angle triangles only hypotenuse exists. Okay now? Here the ends of the hypotenuse, what is given, sir? Here this is we are taking, this is the right angle triangle. Okay now? So A, B, these are the A comma B are the two ends of hypotenuse. The ends of hypotenuse are 4, 0 and 0, 4. One end is 4, 0. Another end is 0, 4. Here the moving point is P. This is the right angle. Okay, now right angle which point, sir? P. P is equal to x, y. Here what is the given geometrical condition, sir? Right angle triangle condition we are taking. What is the right angle condition? Hypotenuse whole square is equal to base whole square plus height whole square. Okay, now that is the condition for which, sir? Right angle triangle. Hypotenuse whole square is equal to base whole square plus height whole square. Here we can write PA whole square plus PB whole square is equal to AB whole square. This is the given geometrical condition. PA whole square plus PB whole square is equal to AB whole square. That is the given geometrical condition. Okay now? See the solution. First we are taking let P is equal to x, y, b. Any point on the locus. Any point on the locus. Okay now? P is equal to x, y, b. Any point on the locus. Here given points. What are the given points? Are given points. A is equal to. What is the value of A? 4, 0. And what is the value of B? 0, 4. Okay, now? The value of B is 0, 4. A given condition. What is the given condition, sir? A given condition. What is the number? PA whole square plus PB whole square is equal to AB whole square. Here PA whole square plus PB whole square is equal to AB whole square. PA whole square plus PB whole square is equal to AB whole square. Okay now? Next we are writing P is equal to x comma y b. So already P is equal to x comma y. Then A equal to sir 4 comma 0. B equal to 0 comma 4. This values in this equation we are substituting. PA square is nothing but the distance between the 2 points. Already we have the formula is the distance between the 2 points. Suppose if PA is equal to is there only we are writing the root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. There is already square is there. That's why PA square is equal to square root to cancel. That's why x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is the formula for which answer PA square. Okay now? So that's why here PA square we are substituting PA square is equal to x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. X minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. PB square x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Okay now? Y minus 4 whole square is equal to AB whole square. A equal to 4 comma 0, B equal to 0 comma 4. Here 4 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. 4 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. Okay now? So now we are simplifying this one. X minus 4 whole square is equal to x square. 4 into 2, what is that? 8x plus 4 square is equal to 16. Y minus 0 whole square is nothing but y square. Okay now? Plus x minus 0 whole square is nothing but x square. Here y square minus 8x plus 16. Okay now? Y square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 4 square is equal to 16. Minus 4 whole square is equal also 16. Here is equal to is there. Here 16 cancel. Another 16 also cancel. Okay now? Another 16 also cancel. Next now we are simplifying this one. X square plus x square 2x square. Okay now? Y square plus y square 2y square. Okay now? Minus 8x. So you get 8y sir. 8y. Okay now? So minus 8x. Which one sir? Minus 8x minus 8y. Minus 8x minus 8y is equal to 0. This all the terms we can take common. 2 is the common value. Okay now? So 2 we are taking common. So it is nothing but equal sir. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y is equal to 0 is the locus. Required locus. All of you write down. See the next question. Find the equation of locus of P if the ratio of the distances from P to 5 comma minus 4 and B to B of 7 comma 6 is what is the value? 2 is to 3. 5 comma 4, 5 comma minus 4 and 7 comma 6 is what is the value? 2 is to 3. So see what is the given geometric conditions of the ratio of the distance is nothing but the ratio of the distances. The distance from P to A is PA. The distance from P to B is PB. The ratio of the distances PA is to PB is equal to what is given sir? 2 is to 3. That is the given geometrical condition. So in common step here we are taking let P is equal to x comma y b. Any point on the locus. Any point on the locus. P is equal to x comma y b. Any point on the locus. Given points. What are the given points? The given points. A is equal to 5 comma minus 4. B is equal equal to 7 comma 6. A given condition ante. Given condition. What is the given condition, sir? The ratio of the distances from which one, sir? P to A comma B. There is nothing but P to A at PA and P to B is PB is equal to whatever 2 is to 3. P to A is PA and P to B is PB. PA is to PB is equal to 2 is to 3. Okay now? Here PA by PB is equal to 2 by 3. PA by PB is equal to what is the number? 2 by 3. Now we are doing the cross multiplication. 3 into PA is equal to 2 into whatever number? PB. 3 into PA is equal to 2 into PB. Next we are doing squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay, number 3 square is equal to 9. 9 into PA square. 2 square is equal to 4. 4 into what is the number? PB whole square. 3 square is equal to 9. 2 square is equal to 4. PB whole square. Now we are substituting the values of 9 into PA whole square. A is equal to 5 comma 4. P equal to x comma y. X minus 5 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square. Okay now? X minus 5 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 4 into PB square. B is equal to what is the value? 7 comma 6. X minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. X minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Okay now? So now we are simplifying this one. Here 9 into x minus 5 whole square. X square minus 10x plus 25. X square minus 10x plus 25. Then y plus 4 whole square. Y square plus 8y plus 16. Y square plus 8y plus 16 is equal to 4 into x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. X minus 7 whole square. X square minus 14x plus 7 square is equal to 49. Okay now? Y minus 6 whole square. What is the y minus 6 whole square, sir? Y square minus 12y plus 36. Y square minus 12y plus 36. Okay now? So now this value multiply to inside. Okay now? 9 into x square. 9x square. 9 into minus 10x minus 90x. 9 into 25. 225. Okay now? 9 into 25. 225 plus 9 into y square. 9y square. 9 into 8y. 72y. 9 into 16. 144 is equal to 4 into x square. Next to 4 into 14. 56x. Okay now? Minus 56x. So 49 into 4.
176.
Okay now? 196. 49 into 4. Yes, sir. 196. Okay now? Plus 4 into y square. 4y square. 4 into 12. 12y. 48y. Okay now? Minus 48y plus 36 into 4. Whatever number? 144. Okay now? 144. First all of write down this one. All of write down carefully. Now we are continuing the problem. Here 144 cancel. Left side 144 is the right side also 144. Both are cancelled. So next see here the total value we are taking to the left side. There is already 9x square is there. Here 9x square minus 4x square. 9x square minus 4x square. Next we are writing y square terms of 9y square plus 9y square minus 4y square. This plus y square we are taking left side minus 4y square. Next to minus 90x minus 90x sum. So there is left side what is the minus 56x is there, that one we are taking left side plus 56x. Okay now next to y terms of 72y plus 72y. Here what is the minus 48y, we are taking left side plus 48y. Okay now next to constant value sum, there is which one is there sir?
Plus
225 is there. Here what is the 196 plus 225 plus 225. Here 196 we are taking left side minus 196 is equal to 0. Okay now see here 9x square minus 4x square is equal to 5x square. 9y square minus 4y square is equal to 5y square. Okay now minus 90x plus 56x minus 34x minus 34x sum 72y plus 48y 120y. Okay now 225 minus 196 sum 225 minus 196 is equal to 29. Okay now plus 29 is equal to 0. This is the required locus. Okay now is the required locus. Okay na? So see the next problem. So a of 2 comma 3, b of minus 3 comma 4 are two given points. Find the equation of locus of P so that the area of the triangle PAB is 8.5. Then what is the given condition sir? Area of triangle PAB is 8.5. Okay now? So dear students, do this problem homework. Here we are using which condition sir? Area of the triangle PAB is equal to 8.5. So already there are 2 points are there. P equal we are taking which is x comma y. A is equal to 2 comma 3. B is equal to minus 3 comma 4. This is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Area triangle is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the area of the triangle. Okay now. So is equal to what is given sir? 8.5. Okay na? So do this problem homework. Okay na? So this topic totally completed. Next tomorrow we are starting the next chapter. Okay? Alright, thanks students.